Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today we are going to set up a new budget plan, meaning maiiba na po yung ating budget moving on or moving forward kasi alis na yung partner ko, mag-abroad na siya, and some of the expenses here will be adjusted, so I need to make some changes, right? So now, as you can see, talagang medyo madumi yung makalat, madaming numbers. This is to tell you that, hey, I'm not perfect. These numbers are real, and I'm brainstorming at the same time on how I can work with our budget. So, yes, this is our budget plan na talagang bine-brainstorm ko, and to explain with you what are this. So our category for the expenses, we have debt, we have food, transpo, utilities, medical expense, and then personnel. Now in terms of our debt, so here's the explanation. Yung bagong utang namin, it's the CP or cell phone na na-mention ko on our previous video na yung partner ko kumuha ng bagong cell phone because he needs an upgrade. Although in this he needs an upgrade kasi very slow na yung iPhone 8 niya, madaling malubat, and he's going to travel mataas yung traveling time niya going to the place where he is going to. It's more likely like 16 hours na travel time, plus meron pa yung mga plus kasi waiting time, immigration, and all. And so, na-explain talaga ako, vina-validate ko talaga kung bakit kami pumili ng bagong cellphone. So, yun yung reason behind kung bakit kami bumili. And then, at the same time, medyo matagal na rin yung phone niya, so outdated, and I know he deserves one. So, I agree with him. But our term is the monthly fee should be something na affordable by my salary, kasi yung salary niya from abroad, our meant for that is it will go directly to our savings or to our savings goal, which I will come up a plan next time, once settled na, once I can see the numbers, once I know na magkano yung income niya, kasi at this time meron kaming estimation but hindi talaga siya actual, you know. So here it is. So meron diyang cellphone, and we've decided to do it like 24 months, like 2 years, para lang maging mas afford siya sa aking sweldo. Kasi who knows, we don't know. So giving a hint on this, or giving you some tip. The reason why I made it like 2 years is because the monthly fee is so much affordable for me, 2,780 every month, and with the 2,780 po is kayang-kaya siya sa aking sahod. Now, who knows what will happen to him? I mean, I'm not saying na baka may mangyaring masama. What I'm trying to say is, hindi kasi regular yung pagiging OFW, and we don't know what is going to happen. So, all of those stuff, and I wanted to make sure na meron akong backup plan na whenever something is wrong, at least I can still afford to pay his monthly fee for his phone through my own salary. So, yun. And then, with the DGI, okay na to. Meron ako natabi dyan. So, it's going to be fully paid. Ang kulang ko na lang, it's 800. So, I have come up with 400 for that. Pero, yung moving forward na ating mga debt is ito lang, CP tsaka yung ring. So for the ring, still the same. It's going to be 6 months to pay because of this monthly fee of 1,581. Yeah, okay. Actually 3,000 siya. 3,000 plus in 1 month, but every pay dapat mag-allocate ako ng 1,581. To sum up everything for the fixed debt, that will be running for the next 2 years. It's going to be, will be running for the next 6 months and 2 years. 6 months because of the ring, 2 months because of the cell phone. That will be 3,000. But once fully paid ko na tong ring and the next 6 months, magiging lesser na siya. And then for the grocery, it would be the same. That's 1,500. For the food, I am thinking na I'll go ahead and check if kasha siya for the 2K. Now, for the gas, walang budget na gas is because hindi naman gagamitin yung multi-cab once alis na yung partner ko. So, yung magstay here is yung public transportation na lang kasi nga magpa-public transpo ako. And then for the parking, so that's 1,000. Then utility is still the same for our Veco. That's gonna be 1,000, but that's 2,000 for every month. Medical, that will be vitamins. And then Momshi, that's for our mother-in-law, for my mother-in-law and his mother. So that's it. For his allowance, so he is no longer here, so that's why I'm not putting anything. Then for the miscellaneous, it's 1,000. Now with all of these numbers, I will be putting this in my money manager app para I can be guided with whatever the budget here. So yan. Punta ako sa money manager app namin, and then I forgot kung saan ba tayo magsa-set up dito ng budget stats. Wait lang, figure out ko muna. Ito, tika, siguro. Total. Okay, here. So, dito sa budget setting is so 4,900. Yung debt, oh my god, lumaki yung debt natin, guys. We need to change that. Debt is wait lang, ha? Paano ko ba ito i-adjust? Default, okay. Yung default natin dyan, it's going to be 3,000. There. So that's 3,000 for the debt. For the food, okay, food is going to be in total of 2K. So that's 4 plus 3, so that's 3,000. Okay, that's all good. But meron yung sub na ano eh. So for the grocery, 3,000. Oh. Okay, let me just add for the foods, which is food. Yeah, that's it. Food. So it depends na lang siguro with the food kung saan ko siya lagay. Okay, but as long as yung food ko, it's only 7,000. For the transportation, let me just get this straight. So for the transportation natin, it's public parking, which is 2,000 a month. Okay. $2,000 there. Sakto ba? Transportation, 2,000. Okay. For the utilities, that's 2,000. Okay. Medical needs, it's 3,000. For the miscellaneous, yeah, that's 1,000 for the miscellaneous. This is going to be like 0 muna because I have to figure out. This one is going to be 0 because it will not be with us. And then oh my. So that's it. And by February, April, so this is going to be, I'm not sure if I should be putting this saving and investment. Saving and investment has to be like on a separate na lang siguro, no? Let me just remove this here. Yeah, I know that it's, let me just remove that from the category here. Let me just remove that. So this is all going to be like for the expenses itself. Now for the expenses, it has to be like 3,000. Oh no, not 3,000 for the debt. Sorry. Let me change this. That's 6,000 for 1 month, 3,000 every pay. Here. Calculator. So 6,000 for the debt, and then 7,000 for the food. 7,000 for the food. Transportation, it's 4,000. 4,000 ba? Wait, let me check. That's supposed to be transportation. 2,000 lang transportation. Okay, let me remove that. 2,000, and then for the medical needs, that's 3,000. Grabe mahal ng taxi ngayon, guys. Speaking of transportation, alam nyo ba na I realized na yung taxi, hindi na siya by meter plus by minute na siya. Gosh, parang sobrang mahal na talaga ng pamilihin ngayon. Utilities, that's 2,000. So that's why for the personal, I'm not sure for the personal. I think the personal is only 1,000. 2,000, sorry. Yeah, default budget is 2,000. 2,000 na siya moving forward. Okay, 2,000. So all in all, our monthly expenses should be 22,000. 22,000. Guys. So we will be keeping an eye na dapat yung expenses natin, it's 22,000 dapat. Yes, darling. I have to. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. So hopefully I've explained well about our budget, our expenses. Now whoever is asking about this budget planner template, I actually did this. I'm the one who created kasi na-customize ko siya according to how I wanted to use my budget planner. So that's it. I haven't been working with the actual here, but next time I will really try my very best na mag-come up ng actual numbers here, kasi if you notice in the past months or past budget planner, walang numbers dyan. So yun lang, and I'll see you on our next video. Thank you. Please hit like, subscribe, and then share this video. Bye, guys.